Strategy Implementation Capability Challenge. Most organizations have fairly and well-defined methods to translate strategic priorities into investment and implementation plans. The performance of this capability is often measured by time and cost to develop roadmaps, quality of the roadmaps, and confidence in the implementation plans as the change programs progress towards deployment. Despite the majority of these methods, the leadership challenge remains. It often takes too long to convert strategy into roadmap and business case. The quality of the roadmaps is often suspect, as it is based on one-time snapshot view expressed by a limited number of stakeholders. The staff confidence in the planned roadmaps starts to decline as the programs start to move towards deployment. As a result, not only we miss the opportunity to do better, we fail to help our staff and customers do better. A path forward that is based on techniques developed by the social media platforms. Welcome to WhiteSparrow Enterprise Social Platform. If Facebook and Twitter can engage people to sell more stuff, we surely can engage our staff, industry experts, and middle management to successfully execute strategic priorities better. Let me share our experience. Our team used unbundling value chain methods to analyze processes within the strategy to net new value journey. We specifically focused our attention on two processes that are least mature in most organizations and we believe are the biggest inhibitors to the successful execution of strategies. We packed our 30-year lived experience into a social enterprise platform called the WhiteSparrow. WhiteSparrow is a SaaS platform that takes advantage of cloud-native technologies. The platform enables your staff to broadly share with the entire organization strategic priorities, areas of focus, initiatives, and impacted systems and processes. Then it facilitates the sharing of lived experiences. For example, staff can share all experiences with the target systems and processes. Industry and resident experts can share what is engineeringly and socially possible within the target domains. Senior management can balance needs for results and tolerance for disruption. Finally, the platform uses machine learning techniques to process lived experiences in real time and delivers actionable analytics. Let me briefly describe how WhiteSparrow accomplishes this. Let's look at the lived experience. Lived experience of staff, industry residents and experts, and management. This is a single interface that everybody comes to, but this interface is based on an individual's persona. First, use a simple interface to enter your experiences without filtering. Good, bad, simple observations. Take pictures, add text, use voice. Second, if you're not familiar with your department's business strategies, and educate yourself. What are the strategic priorities, areas of focus, and initiatives? And third, learn from the experience of others. Based on your persona, you will see what are the experiences of your colleagues and associates. On the right side of the screen, the goal here is to educate you, make things happen, and know what is happening. What that means is that we tell you, here are the strategies, initiatives that your department is involved in. And also system shows you things that you're involved in and what's the status of them, what is being done. And this allows a wide range of staff, industry and resident experts, and management to share their lived experiences. Now we take these lived experiences and convert them into actionable analytics. For example, these lived experiences get mapped to the organization's capabilities. At any given time, an architect can take a look at any strategy or any capability and look at the lived experiences of people around and create an architected roadmap. And similarly, can look at the business strategy that people have shared the lived experiences and create an architecture roadmap with the interactions that are listed by many people. And you can have many views of your work ahead. You can look at how well we do in building a relationship with different lines of business. What value are we delivering? And how are we building a trust by creating business case for potential opportunities and planning those opportunities into iterative solutions and projects? How well are the engagement of our staff and our value plan? what was expected of us every week, every month, every quarter. So a simple analytics keeps everybody on the front and center as to what is the goal of the business strategies. And a simple dashboard shows everybody how engaged is the organization, what is the overall organization engagement, what is your specific engagement, and also see the status of every strategic priority within the organization. Now, best way to explore WhiteSparrow is to request a demo. Let's apply it to a real-life strategic priority. For example, during the demo, we'll do a conference room pilot. We take a strategy from your organization. For example, this is safety and efficiency strategy. We have 4 initiatives. Under each initiative, we have several programs. What we can do in this workshop, we can engage your staff and your industry and resident experts and management and learn from the lived experiences related to these strategies. At the end of the session, your enterprise architect staff will have sufficient experiences to develop a proactive or roadmap for a business strategy. WhiteSparrow, a social enterprise platform. Getting started with the platform is simple. Use the demo in a sandbox and run a private pilot and transition to production. You should be able to showcase tangible value in less than 2 days. To discuss further and schedule your demo, contact WhiteSparrow architect Jason Leopold at jason@whitesparrow.io.